Hi guys, welcome back to AKitchenAdvisor channel. As always, we keep sharing with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we'll show you how to make best ever guacamole, homemade recipe. Get ready for a lot of useful tips. Finely dice onion and mince garlic cloves. Remove cilantro leaves from stem and chop. Transfer to bowl. Squeeze juice from lemon or lime, whatever you have, and pour it over the veggies. Here comes the most important part. Pay attention, as you want to get a kick out of it, but you don't want to get your fingers burned by the spicy pepper. Cover the cutting board with the plastic wrap. Put on a disposable glove on, and now you're ready for the jalapeno heat. Half and remove stem and seeds from jalapeno. Place skin aside and dice finely. Add jalapeno to all ingredients. Get rid of the plastic wraps and glove. Slice tomatoes into small cubes. Half and carefully remove avocado pits. Use a knife to cut into the pit, twist and remove. Here is another tip for you, how to keep your fingers clean and get perfect avocado cubes. Make vertical and horizontal cuts in the avocado flesh and then scoop it from the skin. Transfer it into the bowl. Season with salt, mix all ingredients together. Taste and add more salt and lemon or lime juice to taste if desired. Before we try our best ever guacamole, let me say thank you very much to all our subscribers, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of our easy and yummy recipes for busy families. Also, don't forget to press the like button. Check our website for more delicious and healthy recipes.